Step number 3, design an awesome cover. Your cover has to look fine. You know, Tony talked about branding. Tony talked about your identity. It has to look phenomenal. This is a book that we just published just in the last, I just received a copy of it yesterday. You're going to see her a little bit later. Burden No More. Are you feeling anxious or trapped having to care for your loved ones? Let's give her a hand. I'm not sure where Patsy is, but let's give her a hand. Look at that cover. Tony said that so much of what happens in marketing is optics, how you look. And when you can have your picture on a book like this, I'm telling you, people will see you differently. But the cover is critical. How you look on the cover makes or breaks your whole image, your belief. Imagine having something like this as your calling card, your name card. Imagine walking around with this as your brochure. That's where you start to get power. That's when you start to accelerate beyond your wildest dreams. So you can take a long time to become phenomenally successful, or you can do it quick. And I'm telling you, when you have this kind of ammunition, and when your picture's on a book like this that looks so phenomenal, people will see you differently. Customers will flock to you. Instead of you chasing them, they'll chase you. Somebody came to the seminar and he wrote this book, and I said to him, has it helped you much? He put his head down. No la. So we turned it from that to this. Do you see the difference? See, you could get instant credibility and high position in the marketplace if you've got the right kind of cover. You've got to have a strong author picture. This is Benjamin Fu. You may meet him a little bit later. Look at that picture of him on the cover. I went to his book signing yesterday. He had over 100 people at his book launch, including the chairman of a major bank here in Singapore. The guy's a complete superstar because of, look at how he appears on that cover.